Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we'll be installing the drug creation script by Quasar store into our FiveM server. This powerful script gives you full control over the drug production system, allowing you to set up a customizable planting zone, design unique labs, and manage the entire process like a true kingpin. With this script, you can create and customize multiple drug production areas, set up interactive labs with advanced mechanics, control the entire supply chain from planting to selling. I'll be guiding you step by step through the installation process and giving you a full showcase of this script in action. If you're looking to bring a realistic and dynamic drug economy to your FiveM server, this is the perfect addition. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. The script is from Quasar store. I'll provide the tag source link in the description below. The script will cost you around 64.99 euros. By clicking over here, you can preview the script. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in your granted access section of your Keymaster. You just need to click on download to download the resource. After downloading the script, you just need to extract the file. Now copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. Just like this. Now open the file, then go to SQL, then run the SQL according to your framework. So I'll be using the QBCore framework. So double click on it. After that, open the header SQL. Now select your server, then click on run. After that, open the images folder, then copy these images from here and paste it into your QB inventory. For that, you just need to go to QB inventory, HTML, images, and paste your images over here. Just like this. Now you have to add your items in your items.lua. For that, you have to come to the Quasar's documentation, then click on inventory items and select your inventory which you are using. So I'll be using the QB inventory. For that, I'll be clicking over here. After that, click on copy. Now go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom section of the code and paste your items over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl S. Now open the QS drugs creator folder. Go to config, then config.lua. In the config file, first we have to change the config language. The default one is ES, which is Spanish. So let's change it to EN, which is English. So these are the commands and keybind of our lab system. You can configure it according to your use. So for now, I'll be keeping them default. You can configure the decoration system, like if you want to use dynamic doors, then keep it on true, otherwise you can change it to false. From here, you can change the currency system according to your server, so I'll be keeping it default for now. From here, you can configure the blip of alert when you sell any drug. So these are the keybind of free mode. If you want to turn on the debug mode, then keep it on true, otherwise you can change it to false. And these are the action control. You can see every function of the control from here. From here, you can configure the collection of your drug item. From here, you can configure these items which you are using. And in here, you have to add all the police jobs which are in your server. From here, you can configure the process and the package system of your drug. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now, before starting the server, we have to ensure this script in our server.cfg. Just copy the name, open the server.cfg. Now ensure the script over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl save. Make sure to download the dependency of the script, which are auxlib and auxmysql. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. First, let's create an area from where we have to collect the drug. For that, you just need to type the command which is drug creator. Now click on create post. Now we have to give a name of the area. So I'll be giving a name of Sandy. Now we have to give a maximum collection amount, so I'll be giving it 6. After that, turn on the show sign option. Now for the signal name, I'll be giving the name of weed collection because I'll be creating the area where we have to collect the weed. Just like this. Make sure to click on the collection if you want to create an area where you have to collect the drug. After that, click on create. Now here you will get 4 options. One is heroin, second one is weed, third one is meth, and the last one is cocaine. So we are creating an area to collect the weed. So I'll be selecting the weed and click on enter. After that, we have to select the area with polyzone. So let's create an area. After that, click enter. Now we have to plant the weed. So I'll be planting over here. Another one is here. After that, we have to click on enter. That's it. As you can see, our weed has been planted over here. To pick up the weed, we just need to press E. And we got the weed in our inventory, as you can see over here. Now let's create a lab where we process our drug. For that, we just need to type drug creator. Click on enter. After that, click on create post. Now give the lab name. So I'll be giving the name of weed lab. Now select the laboratory option. After that, give the price for the lab. So I'll be giving the price of 25,000. Then click on create. Now we have to set the entry point. So I'll be setting it over here. Then click on enter. Now we have to set up the interior, so I'll be setting it over here. Just like this. Now click on enter. Now select the exit point. So the exit point will be around here. Now click on enter. So our laboratory is ready now. We just need to go over here. If you want to preview the lab, you just need to press G. Now we can preview the lab by getting inside. So there is nothing around here, as you can see. To exit the lab, we just need to press G. Now we have to purchase the lab. For that, we just need to press E. Here we get the contract of the lab and the total price is written over here. To accept the contract, we just need to click over here. After that, press E to enter. So as you can see, now we are inside the lab. To customize the lab, we just need to type /lab menu and press enter. After that, click on decorate lab. As you can see, here we got lots of options. So now let's click over here. These tables are for math process. If you are creating a lab for math process, then you can use them. And these tables are for cocaines. For the money laundry lab, you can select this washing machine from here. So I'll be creating a lab for weed process. So I'll be selecting this and click over here. To adjust the position, we just need to click on the table. From here, we can adjust the position. After the adjustment of the table, you just need to click over here to purchase the table. Then click on compare. That's it. Now press escape. As you can see, here we got our table over here. So for now, I have set it the lab like this. You will get massive option to customize the lab, as you can see over here. So this is the lab I have set. To process the weed, we just need to get near to the table, then press E. As you can see over here, we started to process the weed and you can see the animations as well. You can configure the speed from your config file. Now let's open the inventory and as you can see, our 5 weed has been detected and we got 5 packed marijuana. Now let's pack this as well. You can configure the process speed and the amount of marijuana box from your config file. Now the last place which we have to set is the place where we have to sell the drug. Now open the drug creator tablet, then click on create post. After that, select on seller. Now give the name of the seller, so I'll be giving the name of seller. After that, open the show sign, then change the name to drug seller. Then click on create. Now we have to select the area where we have to spawn the entity. So I'll be selecting over here, then click on enter. Now in here, we have to select the pet model. If you want to change any pet, you will get the hash of the pet from this website. If you want to change the pet with anyone, you can find it from here. So I'll be selecting this pet from here. Now let's replace the pet from this pet. After that, we have to give the time when the pet will appear. So I'll be giving the time of 22. Now we have to give the time of end shift. So I'll be keeping on 23. After that, select the item. So I'll be keeping the seller to buy all the items. After that, click on confirm. Now as you can see, we got the pet over here. Let's interact with the pet. Click E over here. As you can see, we got a notification that the shift is not started yet. So we have to wait for the time. Now let's try to sell the weed to the pet. Just press E over here. Now then click on the drug which you have to sell. So I'll be clicking over here. As you can see, we sold the drug and we got one marked money which worth around $1,000. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.